This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Debbie Lang. Best price. Renovated with brand new 2024 roof in the sought-after plum section of gated Boca Point. Bright airy floor plan with vaulted ceilings and an open concept design. Newer modern kitchen features sleek white cabinetry with soft close drawers, granite counters and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, brand new oven, washer and dryer with warranties. Both bathrooms have been completely transformed with designer finishes, including a spa-like huge walk-in shower and marble vanity in the primary suite. Screen the night too. Residents of this community have access to a swimming pool and a relaxing whirlpool spa, perfect for soaking up the Florida sunshine. Boca Point also offers various optional country club memberships, giving you the flexibility to enjoy its world-class amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Lang at 609-213-1900.